Hey there. I want to talk to you about how well you did first quarter, meaning what did you accomplish? What did you start? What did you stop? And what did you continue? Because I've said before, we're leaving a legacy whether we want to or not. So why not build on what we know? Why not build on our success? Why not make some changes in how we do what we do? And that's why I love the start, stop, and continue. There is something that you can start in this next quarter that will help you get further to where it is you want to be. There is something you need to stop so that you don't continue doing the same thing over and over. And then, most importantly, there's something that you can continue. And you need to give yourself credit for it. You need to give yourself grace because so often we don't do that. We don't celebrate the good things that we do. So I am encouraging you to one, get an accountability partner. Even better, find you a coach. You're welcome to call me because anything that we do, we need somebody to hold our hand, somebody to encourage us, somebody that will be excited about all the successes that we have. So call me, contact me, and let's talk. I mean, I promise you, all I want to do is listen. That's all I want to do. Contact me on the website, RitaRicks.com, and let's make this second quarter be fantastic. I'm Rita, speaking to your spirit.